Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our third module on corrective action and preventive action, also called KAPA. In our second module, we introduced the concept of KAPA having a life cycle, and that is KAPA having a start and an end. In other words, KAPA is definitive. Okay, it's a definitive journey with a start and an end. And we said there are six phases in that journey. There's 6 phases in KAPA. The first phase being discovery. The second phase, of course, is in investigation and containment, then investigation, and then implementation, and then effective check, and then, of course, closure. So there are 6 phases in the KAPA journey. Okay? So if somebody asks you what are the 6 phases in KAPA, you ought to be able to tell them what the 6 are, and they are discovery, okay, there's then containment, then there is investigation, then there is implementation, then there is effectiveness check and monitoring, and then of course there's closure. Those are the 6 phases in KAPA. Now, each phase, we said, has its own purpose, okay, and remember, and this is a distortion that needs to be taken care of right away. KAPA is not a software. Okay, don't tell me. KAPA is not a software. It is a quality subsystem. KAPA is a quality subsystem. All right. That's the way you have to look at it. But we have companies out there that have very expensive pieces of software somehow. Software developers have sold them on to the fact that this is your KAPA system. No, that is not their KAPA system. That's the piece of software which is infrastructure by definition, and it ought to be backed by processes and documentation. Okay, that's the story for another day. Let's go back to the phases of KAPA. Now, like I said, there are 6 phases in there. And each phase in the KAPA quality subsystem has its own function. Now today, we're going to jump into 2 of those phases. The first one, of course, being discovery. And associated with discovery is, of course, containment. Now, remember I said each phase in KAPA has its own function. So the question in your mind right now should be, what is the purpose of the discovery phase in a KAPA subsystem? Okay, that should be the question in your head. And along with that question should be the second question, which is, what exactly does discovery accomplish? Okay. Discovery refers to, excuse me, to one thing and one thing only: how nonconformities and potential nonconformities are found in a quality subsystem. How do you find things that are about to go wrong, and how do you find things that have gone wrong in a quality system, so you can address them? How do you find those things? How do you find potential nonconformities? And how do you find, actual nonconformities in a quality subsystem? Now, picture this in your head. In a quality system, there is what is called preventive loop, and there is a corrective loop. Okay, preventive loop, which is set of actions taken to find things before they go wrong. That's the preventive loop. And then there's a corrective loop. a set of actions that are taken to find things that have gone wrong. So there's the preventive loop and corrective loop in any quality system. Okay? Now I'm going to repeat again. A preventive loop being a set of actions that are taken to catch things that are about to go wrong if they're not acted upon. And the corrective loop addressing things that are finding things that have already gone wrong and need to be addressed. Okay. So preventive loop, corrective loop. Now the preventive loop serves the preventive action part of CAPA. The corrective loop serves the corrective action part of CAPA. Now, each one of those loops is distinctive. It has its own purpose and it has its own way of operation. Now, when we say preventive loop, we are talking about things like adverse trends. You see it keeping track of KPIs, key performance indicators, and you're looking at them and you're going, the trajectory is not in the right direction. It's going the wrong way. Unless we find out what's going on here, something bad is waiting to happen. So adverse trends based on your key performance indicators or KPIs equals to the preventive loop. Alright, corrective loop comprises internal audits, external audits, regulatory audits, third-party audits, and of course, process failures. Those are corrective elements in the corrective loop. Okay, those are the elements in the corrective loop. So there's the preventive loop and corrective loop. Remember, yesterday I said preventive loop. The preventive action addresses things that have not happened, but if they are not addressed, they may lead to something that can be bad for the organization. Now, corrective loop addresses corrective action, which is the part of CAPA that addresses non-conformities, things that have already gone wrong. Okay? Corrective loop, preventive loop. Those two loops have to be very clear in your head. Preventive is based on key performance indicators. Okay. The corrective loop is based on internal audits, external audits, audits, and third-party audits, and process failures. Those are the 5 elements. And you can put in recalls also in there too. That is the corrective loop end of things. Okay, that's how you find things in a quality system. So if somebody ever asked you how do you find things that have gone wrong or are about to go wrong in a quality system, you say, hey, there's 2 ways to do it. There's the preventive loop, which addresses the preventive action side of CAPA, and this corrective loop, which addresses the corrective action side of CAPA, and the elements in the preventive loop are KPIs, key performing indicators, or performance indicators that you have to define anyway, and trend, adverse trends, and of course risk is also in there. But on this side of things, which is the corrective side, there is audits, be they internal, external, regulatory, or third party. Okay? I hope that sheds light on how discovery takes place in a CAPA system. Thank you.